Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to use Shopify section and blogs for easy customization. Shopify section and blogs let you easily customize your store looks without needing to code. From your Shopify admin, go to online store, click on themes, then click customize. On your current themes, you will enter the theme editors where your page is broken into sections like header, slideshow, or featured product. Within each section, you will find a block. These are smaller elements like image, buttons, or product listing. You can drag and drop this section and block to rearrange your layout, or click on any one to edit its content and settings. For example, you could add a text with image section, insert it to call to action block, and choose where it shows, like only on the home page or product page. Most modern Shopify themes support section everywhere, so you can fully customize not just your own page but also product pages, collection, and more. So once you're done adjusting, just click save and the changes go live instantly. So it's only one of the easiest way to build a personalized store design with full control, no coding required, and that's it.